idle, not active or in use, lazy or not working. The workers were idle due to the power cut. He spent the afternoon in idle chatter with his friends. Quench, to satisfy thirst or to stop something like a fire or strong feeling. The firefighters worked hard to quench the flames. I drank cold water to quench my thirst. Dismantle, to take something apart or break it down into smaller pieces, often to repair, reuse, or get rid of it. He dismantled the robot to see how it worked. They helped him dismantle the bike for repair. Segregate, to keep things or people separate from each other. We should segregate plastic and paper before recycling. The prisoners were segregated by gender. Hoist, to lift or rise something, often using ropes, cables, or machinery. The crane hoisted the heavy box. They hoisted the national flag in the morning. Glare, to look at someone in an angry way. She glared at me when I interrupted her. My mother glared at me because I didn't clean my room. Glare, a very bright light that hurts the eyes. The glare of the sun made it hard to see. The screen glared in the dark room. Attire, the clothes or outfit that someone is wearing. Her wedding attire is beautiful. The guests arrived in colorful attire. Queasy, feeling sick, especially like you might vomit. I felt queasy after the roller coaster ride. The smell of spoiled food made her queasy. Undergo, the experience or go through something, especially a change, treatment, or difficulty. He will undergo eye surgery next week. She is undergoing a lot of stress due to family problems. Sibling, a sibling is a brother or sister. Do you have any siblings? I have 2 siblings, a brother and a sister. Skeptical, doubting or not easily believing something. She was skeptical about the results of the experiment. I am skeptical that the bus will arrive on time. Belligerent, someone who is aggressive, hostile, rude or ready to fight. He became belligerent after drinking too much. Her belligerent attitude caused a lot of arguments. Optimistic, feeling hopeful and positive about the future or expecting good things to happen. She is optimistic about her exam results. The doctor was optimistic about her recovery. Impatient, not willing to wait or annoyed when something takes too long. He was impatient while waiting for the bus. Don't be impatient, success takes time. Tangible, something that is real, physical, and can be touched or seen. The book is tangible, I can hold it in my hands. We need tangible evidence to solve the case. Acute, something that is very intense, sharp, or severe, often referring to a situation or condition. She is suffering from acute stomach pain. Dogs have an acute sense of smell. Colossal, something extremely large in size, amount, or importance. This statue was colossal in height and beauty. The building is a colossal structure made of steel and glass.